Today I'm going to show you how to expand an image in OpenArt using its AI Outpainting tool step by step. This is a super useful feature if you want to turn a regular image into a wider banner, a vertical post, or simply add more scene around your subject without starting over from scratch. Whether you're creating content for social media, thumbnails, wallpapers, or marketing visuals, this workflow can save you a lot of time and give you much more flexibility. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more easy eye tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to the OpenArt homepage and locate the tool you need. Hover over an image on the homepage and you should see the option called Expand Image. This is the feature OpenArt uses for AI outpainting, which means it can intelligently extend the edges of your image while trying to match the style, lighting, and composition of the original. Once you find Expand Image, click it to open the editor. Next, you need to select the image you want to work on. You can either click Upload if the image is stored on your device, or you can choose one from your history if you've already used it before in OpenArt. This is convenient because it lets you continue working without re-uploading the same file again and again. After your image loads, take a moment to check the preview and make sure it's the correct one before moving on. Now, it's time to adjust the settings. One of the most important options here is aspect ratio. Click on that and choose the canvas dimensions that fit your goal. For example, if you want a YouTube thumbnail or a widescreen visual, you might choose 16:9. If you're making a phone-friendly social post or story, 9:16 could be a better fit. The aspect ratio controls how much extra space OpenArt will create around your original image, so this step really determines the final layout. If you want more control over what appears in the expanded area, you can also type a descriptive prompt. This prompt helps guide the AI by telling it what should fill the new space. For example, you could describe the background, environment, lighting, objects, or overall mood. The more specific you are, the better the result can be, especially if you want the new extension to blend naturally with the original image. If you leave it blank, OpenArt will still try to infer the missing area based on the image itself, but a prompt can improve consistency and creativity. Another useful setting is the variation quantity. You'll see plus and minus buttons that let you choose how many results the tool should generate. For instance, you can set it to 4 if you want a few options to review quickly, or 8 if you want more creative variations to compare. More variations can give you a better chance of finding the perfect result, but they can also take a little longer to generate, so choose based on how many options you want to evaluate. Once everything looks good, click the magenta Generate button. This is the step where OpenArt begins expanding the image using AI. Depending on the complexity of your image and the amount of space you're adding, the generation process may take a little time, so be patient while it creates the results. After the images appear, compare them carefully. Look at how well the lighting matches, how natural the edges look, and whether the new area feels consistent with the original image. The best result is usually the one that blends most seamlessly, without obvious distortions or unnatural details. If needed, you can go back, tweak the prompt, adjust the aspect ratio, or change the variation count and generate again until you get the version you want. And that's it. You've now learned how to expand an image in OpenArt using the AI Outpainting tool. This is a fast and powerful way to resize creative assets, improve composition, and adapt images for different platforms without losing quality. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next AI workflow video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.